All right, Kevin. NPD, that's National Parts Depot. Go online at npdlink.com and check them out. They've got over 140,000 different parts. That's a lot of parts. And 550,000 square feet of warehouse. 4 locations across this great country we live in. And they have these things in stock for immediate shipping. 24/7 availability online at npdlink.com or even by phone. You can also get a free full-color catalog of your Foxbody, Mustang, all the parts that you need. Go to npdlink.com today.
Foxtoberfest 2022, welcome. We are out here super early, getting the first footage of the day. The cars are rolling in. Look, they're already up on the hill, if you guys can see it back there. Hopefully I'm holding the camera far enough away and you can see them. I'm Lance of Foxbody FX. It's Foxtoberfest 2022. Can't tell you how excited I am. We've been here for days on end already. The pre-meets have been off the hook, and now the cars are starting to roll in. We're gonna have some fun today. Make it a bucket list for next year. You gotta come out. Thanks to Fox Resto, Matt, Jen, everybody that's putting these on, all the crew. It's just unbelievable. I'm super excited to be here, seeing everybody. It's a great community. If you don't own a Fox, you need to get one because the community is freaking fantastic, all right? So we're gonna see you soon. I'm gonna give you a little more good footage of these awesome Mustangs rolling in. Infamous project with the Dutch car. Another Dutch car. Mr. War Admiral over there right behind him. He's getting rev happy. He's ready to get in here. Hey Robert, what's going on, man? Bam, that's the car right there. War Admiral, what up? You can't even see that car, it's so dark. Sinister looking. What's up, buddy? There he is, Calypso Mickey. Morning. Still quite dark out.
Light up, then it gets boring. Say goodbye.
Yeah, I need to change my lens. Love the Celine Coupe. Dude's had that thing for like 22 years.
Yeah, we can afford one.
And I think that must be BJ's. I'm not sure who that is. What's up, dude? Looking good. Hey, Amy, good morning. What's up, man? Love the color. There they are. Good morning. What's up, dude? It's looking clean, man. That red looking good. What up? All right. There he is. What's up, bro? Looking awesome.
Box my dad and I made in 1995 out of plywood with two 12-inch subwoofers and a Rockford Fosgate Punch 100 amp and an old school Pioneer head unit.
That's stepping back old school right there. I'm voting for her right now because I'm all about old school stereo stuff, and that sounds pretty awesome right there.
Stuff like DJ Magic Mike's, blasting out, all that stuff. So what I'm gonna do is start with Josh, bring these cars through one at a time.
The black Benz limo with the cellular phone. I'm calling up the posse. It's time to get to ripping. I'm freaking each sunroof.
Trunk rattle.
All right, guys, let's hear it.
Hey, where's the mic at? Give me the mic.
Uh-oh, he wants the mic one more time.
All right, so I actually have some cassettes in here, and this is one off the cassettes. I don't have a cassette player, but this was the #1 song on the day that I was born, so I hope you enjoy it.
When you was born in the back of a Foxbody. Hype man. What it do, baby?
Yep, he got it fixed, guys. Come on, guys. Cheer him on. Let him crank it up. He got them jails fixed.
Working out, buddy.
2 a.m. on Sawgrass Express.
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Somebody call the law. What's up, dude?
What's up, Lance? How you doing, bro?
Good, man.
Is that car? Is it all makers? The front and side.
I wish this side was a little longer.
Yeah, I think they're both like that, aren't they?
I'm thinking of ordering,
Or like it doesn't come up to the curb.
I'm thinking of talking to him to see if I can buy a damaged one or something.
Yeah, that would be actually a really smart
And then
idea.
just stick another piece behind it. It'll kind of look
Because
like
Hud's worried about making them bad.
Yeah, the Dakota Digital.
I had the Dakota in mind, but I heard they were getting that was really nice.
So yeah, I got the Strange 5-lug axles. I actually just picked them up 2 weekends ago. And the
rotors are already drilled for 5 volts. They're drilled for 4 and 5.
Oh, okay.
Oh wow, that was.
I really
There's like flying ants all over back there. Yeah. They've been flying around all over back here. It's flying ants.
This is the white Baker Foxbody. I've always loved them. So I had one years ago. Somebody repinned my black GT Calypso, and I loved it.
Yeah, I got this in 01. I was using 40.
I mean, I bought the emblems for the back. I don't know if I want to put them on because I shaved the block, you know, so it's so smooth back there. Lance, I think it smells about 10 times better.
Doesn't it?
Like, way better.
It looks good, doesn't it?
Beyond good.
Looks good.
No, I can sit up.
I would have been.
Oh, yeah. No, sir.
Not today.
Now, because I had built on there 4 times, and then I sit there tonight.
I don't care what I think of it.
Yeah, you know how many fucking parts he had a 1967 GT3 Mustang. And I had a 1969 Shelby Cobra GT350. We came back together. You know.
Sand rails. I mean, the sand rails. Do you want to talk about the sand rails?
You're good. Working around you.
Well, the first one's perfect. And, I sold out.
Foxtoberfest, baby. Look at this awesome golf car. Woo! Amazing. Kidding, folks. Kidding, all right? We've got a gorgeous pace car. The Thunderbird. Y'all know these people making some noise right here. They love making the noise on the turn. I can tell you that. What's up, Krusty? Hi, what's up? That is cool. Hey. You need any change? Okay, I'm walking over. What's up, Bradley? Looking good, man. Bam. Check it out.